Ready for 5 packs check-in today. Thank you for choosing our unit. This is a studio unit. Complete amenities. We have internet. We have our cooking area, everything. We have our own bathroom. Spacious bathroom. Maximum capacity is 10 packs. We have a double-decker bed with pull-out. We have our solo for couple and windy with the press air today. Yan po. We have our dining table. Super bed and with own balcony. So waiting for 5 packs for 2 nights accommodation. That is the SM City. And a stunning light view during nighttime. So we have available also 3 bedroom, maximum capacity of 25 person. For family, big family, you can contact us. Not only for accommodation, we are selling properties as well. So studio unit. Condo investment after 2 to 3 years. You can now open for income generating condo hotel accommodation. So feel free to contact us if you wanna start now for your investment. We're happy to assist you po. Yan. So studio unit, this is 35 square meter with on balcony. You can do your own interior cabinet. Still spacious for 10 packs for a group of 10 maximum family. Ayan. It's along Gibraltar Road going to Mines View. So our location is at opposite or front of Good Shepherd, Mines View. Proudly present to you our 88 GB condominium, first project of Santos Properties here at North Luzon, at the heart of Baguio City. Invest now and own your dream home here at Baguio City.